Hi, bro. You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready. Wait, what are you doing?
Dude, I'm trying to set this down so I don't get your seats messed up.
Oh, dude, don't use one of these. It's gonna seep straight through and get my leather all wet.
Okay,
Here,
what do you
try
want me to
this
do?
instead. So basically, just put that rubber over the top right here. It's like a seat hoodie. It's made of this microfiber material that's nice and thick, so it won't seep through. You won't get my car all sandy or wet.
And the design is also really nice.
Yeah, it's actually really cool. It keeps the seats nice and cool. Whenever the sun's beaming on the seat, it doesn't get all hot and disgusting.
Dude, I'm gonna need...
Summer sale, and they have
Okay.
free shipping, but this design already sold out, so you need to check the others before they're all gone.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Yeah.